Hello everyone, welcome to NRH channel. Dear students, in the previous session we have seen about the probability. What is the probability? Then what is the examples of the probability? What is likely and equally probability? What are the not likely and equally probability? Then what is the formula to find the probability? Then what are the events, experiments? All those things we have seen in the yesterday's class. So today we'll discuss about a few more formula about the probability, how to find the probability by experimental method and the theoretical method. So here two formulas are there, children. You have to remember. One is the experimental or empirical probability P of E of an event E. E is the any event, tossing the coin, throwing the dice, whatever it may be, that is the event. Now that is P of E. See, what is the formula to find the probability of the experimental method? So P of E is equal to number of trials. See, what is that? Number of trials in which the event happened. Means what is the outcomes? Number of the trials in which the events happen divided by total number of the trials. Total number of the possibilities. Similar, see what is the theoretical method here. Theoretical probability of any event P of E is equal to, see that P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. Same here, this is theoretically and that is the experimentally. Number of outcomes favorable means whatever the outcomes predict divided by total number of the possible outcomes of the experiment. These two formula you have to remember for finding the probability. So next I told that yesterday one more point, that see one more example about the deck of playing cards. I think you also played this game, that is a deck playing cards. So we know that pack has the 52 cards. That pack has the 52 cards and which are divided into the 4 sweats. See that 52 cards are divided into the 4 sweats and of each 13 cards of the group here. So 4 sweats of the 13 cards in each now. See here 13, 13, 13. That 52 cards are divided into the 4 sweats and in each sweats having the 13 cards. So here see what are the names of the first sweats here. Spades, heart, diamonds, clubs. See there are 13 cards are name of that 13 card is spades, heart and a diamond, clubs. We can see in home also either if you have means don't purchase the new one to play these cards now, correct? This see that you know the symbols here. Spades card symbol is like that and heart symbol, diamond and the clubs symbols, correct? So here one more point you have to remember, spades and clubs having the black color. So these two having the black colors and heart and diamonds having the red color. These two having the red colors and spades and the clubs has the black colors. So like that you have to make this structure in the classwork. So see the children, next one more point. These points you have to remember. The cards in each set are ace, king, queen and jacks. See what are the names of the cards here. In every pack here, these are the 4 sweats and in every sweats here the separate names of the cards are there. I no need to say the details about that. I think you know that. Name of that sweats are in every sweats it is present that ace cards, king, queen and jack, like a Yakka, Raja, Rani. I think you know that about that one. So here next point, king, queen and jacks. See what is the particular name of this one now. King, queen and jacks are called as the face cards. What will called for these 3 cards here? That is a face cards and this is already one ace cards are there. Now kings, queens and jacks are called as the face cards. Remember children, these points are very important. Then while you are going to solve the example, such points if you know means we can easily find the probability of the based on the questions. I hope it is clear for you. So see the next. See exercise number 15.1. You have to write in the classwork. 15.1. Make the notes. So because fill in the blanks is there, I will show in the reader only. See the complete the following statements. See what is the first one. First question, probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E is equal to sum of two. Probability of the event is equal to how much? 1. I told already in the yesterday's class, that is 1. Correct. The probability of an event that cannot happen is how much? Means it is not impossible. For example, I told that in the previous section, if the dice is thrown once, what is the probability of outcomes 8? That is possible, is there? No, because dice if you throw it means the possibilities are maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not possible. So such the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Correct. Such an event is called as, what I would write here, impossible event. What you call impossible event. Clear, children? So see the here you have to write called as the impossible events. Here, sorry, here you have to write impossible event. So see the third one, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is. See that the probability of an event that is certain to happen is, that is a sure. Certain to happen is how much it gives that? 1. That is certain to happen is 1. Such an event is called as what you call sure event or certain event. What we call that? A sure event or certain event. You have to write here sure event or we'll call that certain event. Clear? So see the next fourth question. The sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is, yes, how much it gives that? 1, because the sum of the probability of the all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. I told that already. What is the elementary? Sum of the elementary. Elementary means that is a P of E plus P of the outcomes plus P of the not outcomes is called as the, that is the elementary events. The sum of two elementaries of the probability gives the 1. So last question, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0. So see that in the studies I given the one formula here. See what is that? P of E is smaller than or equal to 1, smaller than or equal to 1, but P of E is greater than or equal to 0. See that I given. So here also it says that, what is that? The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. We know that the sum of the probability of an event gives the 1 or less than 1, but it is not a more than 1, but it not gives the minus also. Correct, children? Remember these points are all are very important. Yes. See the children, second main question. Which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. I told that in the previous session details about the which are the events are likely equally probability and which are the not likely and equally probability. So here they given 4 statements. You have to check out of these or which is the equally and likely probabilities are the equally and likely outcomes. So here first see that a driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not starts. Correct? So see when you can say that equal and likely probability, the possibilities are equal outcomes. You know that if I toss the coin, what are the possibilities here? Maybe a head or tail. Only 2 possibilities, head or tail. Other than these 2, there is no any phase. Correct? The quantity of the outcomes is equal. One head and one tail are there. So such events you can say that equally and likely probability. Equally and likely events. Correct. So see first what they given, a driver attempt to start the car. See, when the driver is going to start the car, the car may be a start or not. In the first self, it may be start or not. In the second self, maybe a start or not. See, what are the possibilities here? If they start the 15 times early morning, when we are going to start the vehicles, it take the more time to start here. Correct? In this present situation. So here, if you start the car 10 times, maybe 9 or 8 times it will be not start. But sometimes it will start at the 10th time or 11th kick here. It means that here 9 times is not started, but after 9 times in the next self, the car will be a start. It means 9 and 1. So here the quantities are not same. So we can say that this first statement is not a equally and likely probability. Correct? So you have to ignore this one because they ask the question, have the equally and likely outcomes. Give the explain about the equal and likely outcomes only. But this is not a equal and likely probability. I hope this is clear for you children. So see the second one. A player attempt to shoot a basketball. Yes, this is also see that now. Either a chance is given to you 10 times. 10 times they will give the chance to put the basketball in the shoot. So what will happen here? Is it highly impossible to put the 10 times only that basketball to the goal. It is not possible. Correct? Out of 10 maybe a 2, maybe a 3 or maybe a 5. Such time maybe they can put the 8 times, but 2 times it will not put. So here also quantities are not the same. Maybe or may not be, but here it is also not a likely and equally probability, because see that we cannot predict that only 2 is not possible here. If you throw it means it will not false. So here also not equally and likely probability. Clear children? So what about the third one? A trial is made to answer a true or false question. Yeah, here is there. See that how it is. See, true or false questions are there. For example, a dog is, I'll with one question. A dog is flying. Tell me either it is true or false. False, no? Correct? It is not a fly. So here only 2 possibles, maybe fly or no. 2 possibilities. See that here. See, this is called as the likely and equally probability. Correct children? See, true or false. They'll give only true or false. Correct? So one more question I'll give that. 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. Either it is true or false. False. Correct. So this is an example of the likely and equally probability. I'll give the reason. So what you can write that third one is, so when the trial is made to answer a true false question, see, then the answer is true or false. You have to write the reason children. I will saying that reason here. See what you have to write the reason. Then answer is true or false. Only one outcome is possible. Only one outcome is possible. The event can occur in only one way. Correct? Maybe true or false. The event can be occur only one way. Reasonability, it is likely that the answer is right as that answer is wrong. Maybe wrong or maybe hence false. Correct? So finally what I would write? Hence this experiment has equally likely outcomes. Third one is equally likely outcomes. Then what about that fourth one? Can you say this one? A baby is born. It is a boy or girl. Tell me whether it is equally likely probability is there or not. Yes, correct. Only 2 possibilities are there now. See, when baby is born, then the baby is to be a boy or girl. Only one outcome is possible here. See, so only 2 equal quantities are there, girl or boys. Correct? So this is also likely and equally probability. So what you can write the reason children here? When a baby is born, then either the baby is to be a boy or girl. Only one outcome is possible. The event can occur in the only one way. Correct? So what you can say that hence this experiment has equally likely outcomes. Now these are the 2 reasons of the likely and equally probability. I hope you understood children. So in the next class we'll see the remaining examples. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.